The Boy Who Never Gave Up. In a quiet village surrounded by mountains, there lived a young boy named Max, known by everyone for his lack of motivation. Though he was very smart, he always preferred the comfort of his bed over hard work. His life went on without much effort until something unexpected happened. Max lived with his mother, who was very wise but also quite strict. One day, she fell ill, and Max had to take care of the small garden they both tended. However, Max wasn't used to working the land. He tried several times, but the plants began to wilt due to lack of water and care. He felt like a failure and sat down to think about his life. One morning, while walking through the village, he overheard a group of villagers talking about a competition where the winner would receive a great prize, a trip abroad, and the opportunity to learn anything they wanted. Max saw this as an opportunity to change his fate. Even though others laughed at him, he decided to enter the competition. The competition started with an obstacle race, where participants had to cross a river. Max watched as the others rushed into the water, but he knew he didn't have the stamina to swim fast. Without thinking much, Max ran into a nearby forest, where he gathered some logs and built an improvised raft. Using a branch as a paddle, he sailed across the river slowly, but far more effectively than the others, and finished in third place. The next day, the final challenge was to move a huge stone from one place to another. Participants had to choose a tool to help them. Max saw the others already carrying ropes and levers, so he picked a simple knife. While the others struggled to move their stones, Max started carving his. He shaped the stone into a round shape. After an hour of work, he was able to push it with ease, passing everyone else and reaching the finish line first. Max won the competition, but the true lesson was for him. He learned that strength isn't always the most important thing. Strategy and determination matter more. Sometimes, a small change in thinking can take you a long way. On his way back to the village, Max decided to take better care of his mother and work harder, knowing that if he found a purpose, he could achieve anything. The Boy Who Never Gave Up.